Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be having a little walk around this Escort RS2000. It's been sat here a number of years. As you can see, there's a little bit of rust settled in here and there. I'll just walk down the side and get a bit of a better view for you. And there you go. But it's not only an RS2000. Mark 5 Escort. This one is actually a 4x4, and if you can see, the brakes are red rusty solid there. A little bit of damage on the wing, there's a bit of damage on the rear, a bit of damage on the door there. Disc brakes on the rear. I'll just have a little look inside, and there you go. I think she needs a bit of work down the A-pillar there. Do you think this one can be saved, guys? Quite a rare car. Got the Recaro seats. Apart from the mould and a bit of green moss, they're in lovely condition. Let's have a look. Showing, excuse me there with the camera wobbling a bit, 27,000 miles. Now looking at that gear knob, it's possibly true. Probably one of the first cars to have a passenger airbag around this year. It's on an M plate, which is about a 95. Let us know what you think on this one. It looks like the spiders are enjoying it anyway. Slide and tilt sunroof like the earlier models. Let's have a look and see if there's anything in the glove box. No, that's empty. Let's have a little look under the bonnet. Key still sat in the ignition. There you go, look at that twin cam. As you can see, this has been sat here for a very long time. Like the plugs are out of it. It possibly had a mechanical hiccup before it was parked up. And we'll just have a look down the near side now before we wrap it up. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, there's more RS's on there. See you soon.